Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Google spreadsheet using Google Sheets. This is perfect for tracking expenses, budgets, schoolwork, contacts, business records, and more. And the best part is, it's completely free. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.google.com. If you're not signed in, sign in with your Google account. Once you are signed in, click the small Google Apps icon at the top right corner of the page. That's the 9 dots. This will open a menu of Google services. Now scroll down and click on Sheets. Google Sheets will open in a new page. To create a new spreadsheet, click on the big blank button with the plus sign. This will open a brand new empty spreadsheet. This is now your Google Sheet. You can start typing inside any cell immediately. Every small box is called a cell, and this is where you write your data. If you want to name your spreadsheet, look at the top left corner where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. Click on it and type any name you want. This helps you recognize it later. Google Sheets also auto-saves every single thing you type, so you don't need to worry about saving manually. Now, if you want to add simple calculations like adding numbers, you can click any empty cell and type an equal sign, equals, and then type your formula. For example, equals A1 plus A2. Press enter and Google Sheets will calculate it for you automatically. You can also highlight multiple cells, right-click, and insert charts if you need visuals. Your spreadsheet is stored automatically in Google Drive, so anytime you want to find it again, just go to drive.google.com and you'll see it there. You can also share your spreadsheet with other people by clicking the Share button at the top right. Enter their email and choose if they can view, comment, or edit. And that's how to create a Google spreadsheet using Google Sheets. Very simple and beginner-friendly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.